Well, some of you know that we have started a major renovation at our office, and it is, starting to take shape. One of the things we're really thankful that DWC did was they built in a financial shock absorber, because sometimes you end up with some unexpected stuff, like this stuff up here in the ceiling. So we had to, the engineer said we had to do this bracing to keep the roof from falling down. And I'm thankful we have engineers. I'm also thankful that we had financial shock absorbers built into the budget, so that when the unexpected comes up, as it inevitably does, the unexpected happens with such regularity, we should go ahead and expect it. It was nice to have that already built into the project. So just thought I'd give you a quick update here on what's going on at the global headquarters here.